Hey everyone, today let's understand the actual use of the del tag in HTML. So suppose you need to create an e-commerce website as your project and you need to have the same thing this Flipkart have, like the two prices, the previous price and the new price. It means you want to show that the previous price got changed to the new one with this strike through effect that you can see. So you can achieve this quite simply using HTML only without even the need of CSS. But coders don't believe in theories, right? So let's dive into our code. So I already have this layout just like an e-commerce website, and I have the two prices like the previous price that is 8,000 and the new price that is 6,500. So suppose I want to show the customers that this previous price got changed to the new one. So how to have this strike through effect? So we just simply need to wrap this the 8,000 previous price inside the del tag. And we are done. So we achieved this quite simply using HTML only without the use of CSS. So if that's it for this video, I just wanted to show you the quick use of del tag. So see you all in the next one.